All right, welcome back. And now you're going to learn one of the two skills that's most important to help you succeed in this business. What is it? Well, it's how to invite a homeowner to get a free proposal with our partner at Solar City. Now, in a moment, I'm going to share with you step by step in a Camtasia screenshot video, so you'll see me actually inviting someone how to do that. But before that, I want to stress a couple of things. Number one, I really want you to understand the value of being partnered with us and with our partner, Solar City. They're a publicly traded company. They're headed up by Elon Musk and his partners. And I'm telling you, this is a huge opportunity. It's a multi-billion-dollar company. So it's important for us that when you're talking to homeowners, you represent the value of them getting a proposal from a certified energy consultant. They'll either do it on the phone, they'll come out to their house, they'll give you this beautiful brochure, you'll see the picture of the home on this digital overlay. It's an incredibly valuable thing, and we don't want to minimize that just because it's zero down, right? Or because it's a free proposal. So we really want you to build the value in that. Number two, we want you to become qualified partner as soon as you can. You know, we mentioned this in the last videos that we'd love to see this in 24 to 48 hours or maybe 72 hours because it's really simple. You are simply educating a homeowner on the value of going to clean energy, how much they could save, and connecting them with our partner. So that's really the main thing that I wanted to share with you. And now I want to help you see step by step how to log into the Powur platform, whether you do it from your phone or whether you do it from a computer, and simply invite the homeowner to connect with our partner at Solar City. The second thing is, right beneath that video, you're going to see an actual live transfer from one of our Powur partners, and you're going to be able to hear both sides of the conversation as they connect a homeowner with Solar City. So I think you're going to see how easy this is, how fun it is, and how successful you can become in this business. So let's dive into that video now.